Alright guys, yesterday we learned all about gravity and Sir Isaac Newton. Can anybody tell me how he came up with the law of gravity? That's right, an apple. An apple fell down from the tree and he realized that anything that has mass or matter is subject to the laws of gravity. So, who can tell me what gravity is? Yes, that's right. It's the force that pulls you towards the earth. Gravity exists for a number of reasons. Because the earth is spinning so fast, because the earth has so much mass, it creates its own gravity, and we have mass. The apple has mass. An airplane has mass. But is an airplane subject to the laws of gravity? That's what we're going to talk about today. So, there are some key terms that I would like you to keep in mind. Some of those terms are resistance, propulsion, force, vacuum, gravity. Can anybody take a guess on any one of those words, what they might mean? Yes. Resistance is something that puts up a fight. It resists. I know you're not supposed to use the word in the definition of the word, but resistance is when a force is put up against an initial force. So if you're trying to overcome gravity, what kind of resistance would you need to offer? You could offer propulsion. Anybody know what that is? Rockets use propulsion. Airplanes use propulsion. They propel something away from the Earth's surface into the air, overcoming gravity. So, let's toss the apple around a little bit and see if we can't come up with some examples of ways humans can overcome gravity. Any ideas? Hang gliding. Hang gliding is one. Yes, absolutely. Airplanes. Parachutes. They slow down the laws of gravity so you don't plummet to the earth. You really just kind of float gently. Any other ideas? Rockets. What about vacuums? Part of the reason that the law of gravity exists is because of the presence of oxygen. If you were to be locked in an anti-gravity chamber, the first thing they would do is pull all the oxygen out of the room because the oxygen is what gives weight to your mass. So without that oxygen, you are weightless. So a vacuum creates anti-gravity. So I want you guys to brainstorm a little bit. Let's keep it going. I'm hearing so many good ideas right now. So for today's activity, I'm going to break you guys up into your lab groups, and you are going to experiment with different ways to overcome gravity. You're going to find all kinds of things on your lab tables. You're going to find pieces of paper. You're going to find plastic grocery bags. You're going to find empty soda bottles, cardboard tubes, little action figures. What do you guys think you're going to do with all this? Any ideas? You are going to figure out different ways to defy gravity. So what's something that you can do with the paper that you could defy gravity? Yep, that's right. I want you to throw paper airplanes in my classroom. Yes. Any ideas how this little guy could defy gravity? Anybody? Let's see. He's dropping pretty fast. Uh-oh. What What if we were to attach something to him? It seems like it would make a good what? Parachute, yeah. So, with what you know about gravity, and what you know about overcoming gravity, and those amazing brains in your heads, I want you guys to break up into your lab groups, and I'm going to give you about 20 minutes to come up with different ways to defy gravity, okay? All right, I'm going to be walking around taking notes, so you guys get to work. Okay, that was amazing. You guys were fantastic. I saw paper airplanes flying left and right. I saw cardboard rockets being shot. I saw little action figures with parachutes. And even throwing something up in the air is momentarily defying gravity. So you guys were fantastic. So now, so you can show me what you know, I want you to get out your science journals, and I want you to write down some different ways that you defied gravity today, and I want you to pick your favorite and tell me why it's your favorite. You know, what about it made it your favorite? Was it building it? Was it seeing how far it went? Was it that it went the highest or it stayed up the longest? I want to know. So you guys work on that, and then I will put the homework on the board. So today's homework is you are going to go home and you are going to research how things in nature defy gravity. Like, are there any animals that you can think of that defy gravity? Does anybody have any guesses? I think you can think of some if you really look. You know, and then of course there's always Google. So I want 2 to 3 paragraphs on an animal that defies gravity on a regular basis. You know, any animal can. My dog defies gravity when he gets scared. I want one that does it regularly. It's part of its natural adaptation for its environment. So that is your homework for tonight. So think about everything you did today. Think about those keywords: propulsion, resistance, weight, mass, vacuum, gravity. Use them in your writing. Use them in your homework. Think about them when you're making your scientific theories. And I can't wait to read what you guys write for me. All right, so that is going to be it for today. And I will see you guys tomorrow.